It's again. Oh. Welcome to Creating Your Reality call with Suruchi Hirawat. Yeah, Neha, what is your question?
So I was asking, like, when you talk about the topic reality, is it like our internal one that, like, how we say that our thoughts create our own outside reality, so to speak, to divide it, or the reality that we, and our thoughts are in our control, but our outside circumstances may or may not be in our control, but we can, with our thoughts we can deal with those situations.
Yeah.
That what is reality, or is reality the outside circumstances and how we deal with them?
See, it's either ways na कि आप नाक किस तरह से पकड़ोगे. It's the same thing, right? Because it's like reality. अगर मेरे outer circumstances जो मेरे reality है, but I created that. So how did I create it? I created that from my points of view, thoughts, feelings, emotions. That's the reason whatever is around your surrounding, your reality, is a creation of your inner thoughts, feelings, emotions, beliefs, and conclusions, right? So it's like that is your outer reality. But what is your reality here? Creating your reality, because coming back is how much do we mimic? It's coming from mimicry. Mimicry in the sense कि reference point. हमने किसी को देखा, हमने उसको mimic किया, और हमने वही आंसर कट कॉपी पेस्ट कर दिया अपनी लाइफ में. But we don't take even a moment to ask कि यार वो exactly same लिखना है क्या? Like एग्जाम में क्या होता था कि वो फर्स्ट, आपको पता है वो स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट आता है, उसका आंसर वी जस्ट कॉपीड अगर नहीं आता है विदाउट इवन, बिकॉज उस टाइम टाइम नहीं होता है टू थिंक, सो वी जस्ट कट कॉपी पेस्ट. एंड अगर वो स्टूडेंट ज्यादा ये है कि मेरा एग्जैक्टली मत लिखना, तो आप थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देते हो, आगे पीछे 2 लाइन ऊपर और 2 लाइन नीचे. सो क्रिएटिंग अ रियलिटी इज ऑल्सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज व्हेन हम जब सराउंडिंग या किसी को देखते हैं एंड वी गेट इंस्पायर्ड by someone, let's say inspired by someone, because by default setting वो तो दूसरा है कि नहीं पसंद है तो भी उनको मिमिक करते हैं. But when you get inspired by someone and we like कि हमको भी वो बनना है, but actually we don't ask ourselves कि उसका क्या part हमको create करना है, but we kind of ask for everything. Like if I like the way somebody facilitates, okay, but what I will say, I'll mimic that. I will also facilitate the same class. But that may not be my reality, because that may not make me happy. It is just a style of facilitation. It can be. So agar when I start asking ki bhaiya what is my reality, what would I like to, the whole idea we are not getting where we would like to, because हम अपने आप से ये question पूछते ही नहीं है कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. And it comes from a programming where nobody ever taught us. Because abhi what did I just say कि मैंने अपने बच्चों के साथ क्या किया, 12 से 7 उनका फोन ले लिया, राइट? Did I ask them? No. I kind of imposed the rule that this is what it is. So I am not saying that I am perfect, but then we all do it, which makes our life easier for some reason. Because I watched for 3 months, I realized it's not going anywhere. I said, okay, dictatorship. Okay, take it. But my cut to point is कि this is how we are entrained, where we were not given a choice. Nobody asked us, abhi to hum fir bhi puchte hain, but nobody asked us ki what would you like to create your life as. Even a day, life to bahut lambi baat hai, but hum ye bhi nahi puchte ki how would I like to create my day. Let's get to day, let's get to hour. We don't even do that. हम यही नहीं पूछते कि आज मुझे 1 घंटा क्या करना है, आज मुझे अपना पूरा दिन कैसे क्रिएट करना है. It is more of a reference point which कि वो उधर जा रहा है, उसको मजे आ रहे हैं, so let me just have that. So when I am going and replicating somebody else's reality as my reality, तो जब वो obstacles आते हैं, I give in. Then when I am lost, I don't know what to ask, because I was chasing something which I also don't desire. So the whole idea of this clarity session or this call is creating your reality is like sitting down कि कौन से area in your life, which area are you facing a problem of creating a reality, that कोई target होगा कि कौन सा area है आपकी life में where you have a problem. Why? Because if we then step down and ask, even it is yours to start with, or are we creating a reality because it looks nice? I am not listening you. विवो, आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही, बाकी सबको आवाज आ रही है? विवो,
Yes, we can hear.
Yes, आ रही है.
हाँ, तो विवो,
Yes.
Vivo, I think there is a connection problem. Yes, now okay. So it is what it is. So the whole idea is because we never sat with ourselves. हम अपने साथ बैठे नहीं हैं अपने आप को पूछने के लिए कि what do I truly desire to create today? And the problem is कि it comes from commitment, because if you are aware, you can't blame anybody. बिकॉज अभी तो हम ब्लेम कर सकते हैं सिचुएशन को, इन लॉज को, पेरेंट्स को, हस्बैंड को, चिल्ड्रन को, एनीबडी, whoever we can use as a guinea pig to complain. But when you know, and there are sometimes ये है कि आपको लगता है आपको इधर जाना है, but after 10 days if you feel it's not making you happy, so it's like you can always change. But हम लोग को इधर लगता है कि अगर यार मैंने इतना इन्वेस्ट कर लिया, मैंने इतना time invest kiya, money invest kiya, whatever it is, then I have to do it. But that have to do it is a compulsion which is not creating your reality. And agar compulsion aa jata hai, to somewhere you have to ask, was I mimicking or duplicating somebody else's reality? Because if it is your reality, the fun element, the ease element will not go, and things will show up as ease. So what is that area where you are quote unquote facing issue कि भैया ये मेरी reality इस area में creating my reality is troublesome, or I don't have clarity. So please unmute and ask question, because then we can have a chat which will, और एक question जो भी पूछता है वो सबको typically contribute करता है, directly indirectly. So please unmute and ask yourself question.
तो सुरुचि,
हाँ,
कभी क्या होता है कि जैसे लाइक हम लोगों को बोलते रहते हैं सब कि भाई डैडी जैसी लगती है, मम्मा जैसी लगती है, अरे आंटी जैसी स्टाइल कर रही है, तो हमें नहीं करना होता है, फिर भी हम जैसे अवेयर है, फिर भी उन लोगों जैसी वो एक्टिंग आप बोल रहे हैं ना, मिमिक कर रहे हैं,
हाँ,
ऐसा हो जाता है. और कभी, और दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि अभी उठ के ही देखो, जैसे सुबह उठे तो हस्बैंड के लिए करो, बच्चों के लिए करो, इन लॉज के लिए करो, सब के लिए करते रहो, लेकिन अपने लिए कुछ टाइम ही नहीं बचता. जैसे आपका कॉल अटेंड करने के लिए मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ, मैं मॉर्निंग से काम कर रही हूँ कि आपका 11 o'clock को कॉल अटेंड कर सकूं, ठीक है, लेकिन किसी को ना नहीं बोल सकती भाई आज मैं नाश्ता नहीं बनाऊंगी, आप कर लो अपने आप हिसाब से.
तो शीतल, एक दो चीज है कि कभी कभी क्या होता है कि घर का जो होता है ना, आपको किरण आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा, आपके वहां से आवाज आ रही. सो शीतल, घर का जो चीज है ना, सबका अपना कमिटमेंट है. लाइक अगर आपके ऑफिस, आपके हस्बैंड का ऑफिस का कमिटमेंट है, राइट, जॉब का कमिटमेंट है, पर वो बोले कि नहीं आज तो मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ जाऊंगा, ऑफिस नहीं जाऊंगा, राइट, चाहे उनका मन हो. कुछ कुछ चीजें होती है जो हमें शायद करना पड़ता है बिकॉज एक दूसरा एक फैमिली कमिटमेंट बोल के. तो जो आप बोल रहे हो कि टाइम मेरे लिए नहीं निकलता, तो वहां पे हमको थोड़ी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इसलिए लानी पड़ेगी कि वो टाइम मैं थोड़ा मॉर्निंग में निकाल दूं अगर मुझे कुछ देना है, या आफ्टरनून में निकाल दूं, या नाइट में निकाल दूं. लाइक फॉर मेरे लिए जो मैं कर रही हूँ मेरा जॉब है, राइट, सो मेरा मी टाइम क्या, तो वो मैं अपना मी टाइम रात को निकालती हूँ जब सब सो चुके होते हैं, बच्चे सो चुके होते हैं, तो 1 घंटा आधी घंटा मैं वो चीज करना चाहती हूँ जो मुझे चाहिए. कि अगर मुझे बैठ के, या कभी कभी सुबह कि मैं बैठ के डायरी लिखती हूँ कि मुझे क्या करना है, बिकॉज कभी कभी जब हम लिखते हैं तो भी बहुत क्लैरिटी आता है, बिकॉज जब दिमाग में जब हम सोच रहे होते हैं ना, तो और जब लिखते हैं तो लगता है कि नहीं, तो उसको रीड कर सकते हो. और आप एक्चुअली एक अगर ये स्टार्ट करो जर्नलिंग जो बोलते हैं, if you take a diary and start writing जो भी आपके दिमाग में आए सुबह, आप एक्चुअली प्रेजेंट होगे कि आपके इनर थॉट्स और इनर डायलॉग क्या है. आप एक्चुअली जज मत करना, एक पेज डेली लिखो, आप डेली देखोगे कि कहाँ आप प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हो. और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो जस्ट फॉर मी जस्ट फॉर फन वाली बात है, आप किसी को बोल नहीं सकते, बट जब आप लिखने लगते हो ना, तो एटलीस्ट वो आपके सिस्टम से एम्प्टी होता है. और एक्चुअली आप देखोगे कि आपकी रियलिटी में जो आपके इनर थॉट्स होते हैं ना, वो ऑब्स्टिकल्स है. लाइक अगर मैंने बोल दिया कि हाँ मुझे 700 लोग क्लास में चाहिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, सो बट जैसे मैं सोचती हूँ मेरा एक इनर थॉट बोलता है हैंडल कर पाऊंगी, बस एक वर्ड हैंडल कर पाऊंगी उसने मेरे पूरे क्रिएशन को सैबोटैज कर दिया. और मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं पूरा दिन सारे एक्शंस ले रही हूँ, ये कर रही हूँ, वो कर रही हूँ, तो व्हाई इज दिस नॉट शोइंग अप? बिकॉज एक वो छोटा सा इनर डाउट उसने मेरे पूरे क्रिएशन को हॉल्ट कर दिया. जब हम लिखते हैं तो हमको पता लगता है कि हमारे अंदर में क्या चल रहा है, हमारा इनर डायलॉग क्या है. सो it's really nice. I did it for a month. उसके बाद मैंने उसको हटा दिया. I think I'll have to start again. But it's a very beautiful tool कि 1 घंटा मॉर्निंग में, I understand each one of us have a time. What if your day starts at say 6? Steal that 15 minutes. Get up at 5:45. बेड पे ही बुक निकालो साइड में और जो पहले थॉट्स आते हैं ना सब लिख लो. क्यों? उसके बाद हम इतने ट्रेंड है ना कि हम अच्छा सोचते हैं. हम क्यों? क्योंकि अगर हम अच्छा सोचेंगे तो अच्छा दिन जाएगा. बट देन वो वॉइस क्या कर रहा है जो एक्चुअली अंदर प्रेजेंट है, बिकॉज उसको तो सुनना है. दैट इज व्हाट इज क्रिएटिंग योर रियलिटी. वो पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यूज हैं जो इतने सटल हैं, उसको तो हम शट कर देते हैं. So that's the reason we don't even sit silent. The other thing if you practice is just ask a question and sit down and do nothing. Nothing. Because हम क्या करते हैं? How we ask? What else is possible? What else is possible? What else is possible? और चले जाते हैं. What if we say, okay, what else is possible in this situation, and just sit down to receive the information for 2 minutes? नहीं आए कोई बात नहीं, but at least sit down and receive. Because if you ask me to give you something, मैं आती हूँ लेने के लिए, जब तक 5 मिनट लगता है देखते हैं आप अपने स्पॉट पे नहीं हो, आप आगे चले गए, तो आई एम चेजिंग यू, तब तक आप दूसरा ऑर्डर दे देते हो. सो आई हैव टू गो गेट अनदर डिफरेंट ऑर्डर. So the whole idea is it's a chase game. We don't relax into things. See, it is not all about doing. But what about receiving? जब आप information awareness बोल रहे हो, उसको receive करने के लिए आप बैठ ही नहीं रहे, receive भी नहीं कर रहे हो, तो how will you then do what is required? So, अभी तक all the reference point and objectives you are using to create your reality, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, bottom fork, all lines, shots, boys and yeah, all the reference points, hidden agendas, objectives you are using to create your reality, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
Good and bad, bottom fork, all
Yes.
lines, boys and yeah. What can I be? What can I be to be the infinite receiving, especially from family? See, family में infinite receiving का problem. See, the receiving problem comes only because we have an expectation and a projection from our family. We expect them to do a certain thing. We project them to do a certain thing. So first, every day you need to do is like all my projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgments I have of my family. I now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, all 9 shots, but all the projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgments you all have of your family. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Bad, bottom, fork, all 9 shots, boys and all the projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgments you have of you in regards to your family. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and
Yes.
bad, of all 9 shots, boys and yeah. So it's like, and everywhere you are defending yourself for not being judged by your family. Can you give that up?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, of all 9 shots, boys and the truth is that the family's judgment or your judgment of your own self? Truth.
Own judgment.
So see, that's
ना.
it. खुद का जजमेंट है. क्यों? अगर खुद का जजमेंट नहीं होता है तो दूसरों का जजमेंट हम पिक ही नहीं कर पाते. कितनी बार हम मस्ती कर रहे होते हैं, हमारा कोई जजमेंट नहीं, तब तक किसी ने आके बोला तब भी लाइक कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं, अच्छा ये हमें लोग देख रहे हैं, अच्छा ऐसे नहीं करना. पर जब हम फैमिली से ऑलरेडी कॉन्शियस हो रहे हैं या रिसीव नहीं कर रहे हैं या नहीं शो अप हो रहे हैं और अपनी रियलिटी क्रिएट कर रहे हैं कि किस, so what kind of a reality would you like to create with your family? Let's ask this. What kind of a reality would you like to create with your family is the question. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने दूसरों की फैमिली देखी और उसमें से पिट्स एंड पीसेस लिए और हमने कंक्लूजन किया कि ये हमारी फैमिली के साथ ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, चलो थोड़ा सेटल लेस कर लेते हैं. बट अगर आप एक मैजिक वैंड है और आप कुछ भी चेंज कर सकते हो और कुछ भी क्रिएट कर सकते हो, तो आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ किस टाइप का रियलिटी क्रिएट करना चाहोगे? राइट इट डाउन, उसको लिखो. व्हाई? बिकॉज देन लिख के देन आस्क, इज दिस व्हाट आई डिजायर और आई एम एक्सपेक्टेड टू क्रिएट हियर? इज दिस व्हाट आई डिजायर और आई थिंक इट शुड बी देयर? हमारा राइटनेस आ जाता है कि अगर ये होगा ना तभी सक्सेसफुल होगा. एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो एनी रियलिटी, आपकी रियलिटी होगी तो ईज होगा, वहां पे जॉय होगा. अगर ईज और जॉय मिसिंग है तो वो आपकी रियलिटी है ही नहीं. एनी रियलिटी जिसमें ईज और जॉय नहीं है वो आपकी रियलिटी है नहीं, टेल साइन है. देन यू हैव टू आस्क, who am I being here? Whose reality am I trying, or what am I trying to create here? From whose point of view? किसी और के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैं ये सिचुएशन या रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. बिकॉज अगर मेरी रियलिटी है वो अपने आप ईज होगा. और डू आई लाइक ईज? द अदर थिंग इज, अगर आपको ईजी नहीं पसंद है तो आपकी रियलिटी में ईज नहीं आएगा. सो एवरीवेयर यू हैव डिस्काउंटेड द वैल्यू ऑफ ईज. ईज बहुत कीमती होता है. वी हैव डिस्काउंटेड इट बिकॉज नोबडी ever valued it. Can you now destroy and uncreate it all? Times a gazillion.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, cotton fog, all 9 short version. And everywhere you concluded कि easy हो जाएगा तो बहुत lazy हो जाओगे, आलसी हो जाओगे और कुछ नहीं करोगे. Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, cotton fog, all 9 short version. So what is it? What kind of a reality would you like to create? अगर आप एक, it's like आपके पास God power है. राइट? इफ यू कैन चेंज, अगर आज वार्डरोब चेंज करना है तो चेंज करोगे या किसी और की वेट करोगे कि नहीं यार ये नहीं हो सकता? तो इट इज एज सिंपल. किचन का यूटेंसिल चेंज करना होता है, भांडे चेंज करने होते हैं. हाउ यू विल गो एंड चेंज इट? यू विल नॉट मेक ये सही है या गलत है, अभी मैं प्लास्टिक लगाऊं, अभी मैं कांच लगाऊं. नहीं, चेंज करना है तो फिर 10 दिन बाद चेंज कर लोगे. So it's all the significance you have put on things. That significance doesn't allow you to shift, transmute and change it with ease. Because वो significance attach कर दिया है family को, वो significance attach कर दिया है money को, वो significance attach कर दिया है अपने business को. वो significance जो आपने attach कर दिया है, उस significance के कारण you are not able to take steps or choose something जो एक different reality create करेगी. So what significance are you, all the significance you have put on your family or on yourself, how you need to deal with your family, can you destroy and uncreate it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, cotton fog, all 9 shots boys and yeah. So where are you, और कौन सा एरिया है जहाँ पे स्ट्रगल है? And then ask the other question. Ask is, if I'm truly being me, if I'm truly being me, how will I show up in my family today?
Hello.
Because हर दिन आप different तरीके से show up होगे. How will I receive? And अगर receiving issue है, ask, plants कैसे receive करते? Plants have no point of view. And it's so beautiful actually if you see the nature. अभी बारिश आती है, कभी धूप आती है, कभी thunderstorm आता है. प्लांट को कुछ प्लांट सब रिसीव कर लेता है विथ नो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है जो हम रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट करते हैं. सो इन दैट टाइम फैमिली है, पुट योर बैरियर्स डाउन. बिकॉज अगर आप रिसीव नहीं कर पा रहे, दैट्स अ टेलटेल साइन कि आपके बैरियर्स अप है. बिकॉज अगर आपके बैरियर्स डाउन होंगे तो रिसीविंग इशू नहीं होगा. पुट योर बैरियर्स डाउन एंड जस्ट रिसीव इट. रिसीव एवरीथिंग, ऑल द जजमेंट्स, एवरीथिंग दैट थ्रोइंग एट यू, बट अपनी बॉडी में नहीं, जस्ट अपने स्पेस पे रिसीव करो. Just say, allow it, let it all come to me, not to my body but to me, and just let it go, because आप जब barriers down है वो मेरे पास आएगा और चला भी जाएगा, but just be an interesting point of view. But everywhere you're trying to receive from the rightness of your point of view कि ऐसा होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता है, ऐसा ही मैं receive करूंगी, will you now all revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, announce, destroy and uncreate, which comes as an obstacle in the way of receiving everything that
Yes.
can you now destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
With that, what online should person? Yeah, Neha, sorry, you had something.
Yeah, so I had a question, like, what if I am fearful of repeating the reality of my parents? Like, you know, there are certain things that have happened to them at a certain age or something like that. And like, you know, then you have that, even though it's not happened, you are in that fear कि अच्छा मेरे साथ भी तो ऐसा हो सकता है, or I might face the similar problem. So you're scared of mimicking rather than it's all you're like, you know, so that fear is there.
See, the thing is, when you fear, when see any चीज है जहाँ पे भी आप attention देते हो, actually we don't give ourselves importance कि हम इतने powerful being है कि अगर हमने किसी चीज को नजर उठा के देख ली, हमने उसका energy composition change कर दिया. We have that power. So जब thought को हम power देते हैं, तो धीरे धीरे what we do, invite them.
Right.
We invite them because we are putting that attention. So the moment when you go into putting that attention, and you know you're putting that attention, you're aware, say stop it. Stop it, pock and pot. The other thing is that if you have fear, run this clearing, all the distractor implant of fear, and everything underneath that I'm using to create my relationship, I destroy and uncreate it all. Right?
Yes.
In that one cock, all 9 short person, because it's a distractor. It's why, because you know a relationship that is all the distractor implant of fear and everything underneath that am I using to create the relationship I am choosing. Everything that is pock and pot.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots version में. क्योंकि पता है क्या है कि हम ये नहीं पूछते कि हमें क्या पता है रिलेशनशिप के बारे में. If you actually start asking this question, जिसमें भी clarity चाहिए कि मुझे क्या पता है इसके बारे में, क्यों? क्योंकि everywhere you have decided कि बस एक यही life है और जितनी knowledge आपने gain कर ली है इस life में बस इतना ही है. That's a very limited point of view, because who all agree and who all not agree that you are an infinite being. अगर सब agree करते हैं कि you are an infinite being, I'll move forward. If anybody has a doubt that you are not an infinite being, then we'll have a different conversation. So no news is a good news for me. So I think everybody believes that you are an infinite being. Great. So when you are an infinite being, so you also have multiple lives. किसी life में आप पता नहीं एक lawyer हो, doctor हो, butcher हो, healer हो, dancer हो, artist हो, businessman हो, money lender हो, prostitute हो, कुक हो, कुछ भी हो, राइट? किसी लाइफ टाइम में ऐसे रिलेशनशिप आपने मेंटेन किए होंगे कि लोगों ने आपकी तारीफ दी होगी, और किसी लाइफ टाइम में आपने ऐसे रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन किए होंगे किसी ने बोला हो इससे कभी कोई रिलेशनशिप संभालना नहीं आता है. सो वी हैड ऑल द काइंड ऑफ लाइफ विद ऑल द काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस. सो जब अगर आप पूछोगे कि मुझे क्या पता है एक रिलेशनशिप में क्या होना चाहिए, so आप डिस्कार्ड करते हो रेफरेंस पॉइंट where you are picking from your parents, then you are using a reference point. It's a reference कि ये reference material हम use करते हैं. So everywhere you using reference material, reference point to create your life in every area. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, one cock, all 9 shots poison, all the default setting जो आपको आपकी नोइंग में नहीं ले जाती, बट एक डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग जो आपको रेफरेंस पॉइंट या ऑब्जेक्टिव या एजेंडा में लेके जाती है. कैन यू डिस्ट्रॉय एंड अनक्रिएट इट ऑल? राइट एंड रॉन्ग, वन फॉक, ऑल 9 शॉट पर्सन. एंड नेहा, यू हैव टू आस्क कि मेरा इस रिलेशनशिप में व्हाट इज माय एजेंडा हियर, व्हाट इज माय हिडन एजेंडा in this relationship. Once you get to know your hidden agenda, you will have a clarity कि मुझे किस टाइप की रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट करना है. अगर मेरा हिडन एजेंडा है कि मुझे इसको भगाना है घर से, then I will create a reality where I'll create him creating a fight. See, we all have a hidden agenda whether we like it or not. हम किसी को भी मिलते हैं ना, फ्रेंड को भी मिलते हैं तो भी हमारा एक हिडन एजेंडा होता है. हम अपने मॉम को भी मिलते हैं तो भी एक हिडन एजेंडा होता है. इट्स वेरी वियर्ड. जस्ट आस्क व्हाट इज माय हिडन एजेंडा हियर. इट विल गिव यू अ लाइटनेस. एंड देन आस्क कि मुझे क्या रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट करना है, मुझे क्या रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट करना है. बिकॉज देन it's again, if it's a partner, I would like to create a certain relationship and he may have a certain different hidden agenda because it's two people, right? But मुझे क्या create करना है, what would I like to create, on that basis I will make my choices. But हम क्या करते हैं, हम अपनी choice नहीं बनाते क्योंकि दूसरा आदमी वो choice नहीं create कर रहा. But then that's his choice. But if I would like an ease in a relationship, so what choice can I make which will give me a ease, whether somebody else is making that or not. But that's the whole thing. जब हमें अपनी hidden agenda पता है, हमको किस टाइप की reality create करनी है, अगर हम इस सारी चीज की अपनी awareness है, ना कि see relationship family ऐसा आता है कि sometimes हम अपनी choice तो सोचते ही नहीं है because we go into the programming. So all the programming which was implanted and explanted into your universe the time you were born, about family, about relationship, about money, about wealth, about creation, and everywhere you agreed, aligned, or resisted or reacted, and either which ways you bought it as yours. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion? Right and wrong,
Yes.
good and bad, pot and pork, all nine
Yes.
shots, boys and beyond. And now can you return it to the sender with a lot of love, light, consciousness attached? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys and beyond. Yeah, Neha, sorry, you had to say something? Does it clarify?
Yeah, I think will you be sharing the recording? But I think I need to do more of these, like the fear thing. Like I'm working on it for a while and it has reduced, but I still feel that somewhere it's still carrying in my system.
So, okay, the other thing is you have to ask, what will happen if you become like your mom? Because you're fearing not to be your mom or your dad. In a
Happen in their life, like the circumstances.
See, okay, I agree. But what I'm trying to tell you is like, if you see, like I fear to be my mom in a relationship. अगर मैं अपनी mom की तरह हो गई in a relationship, right? So I will have these circumstances in my life, which I don't want to be. So because to not have this, I will not be my mother. So when I will not be my mother, I'm putting so much energy to not be someone, right? So when I'm putting an energy on something, what am I doing? I'm growing that energy, I'm growing that thoughts, I'm growing that attribute by putting that energy. Because हमारा problem ये है कि इतनी energy अगर किसी चीज को भी छुओ, वो shift हो जाता है. But we don't acknowledge. हमको लगता है हमने कुछ नहीं किया, हमने एक सोचा, हमने उस word को सोच के ही अपने पूरे auric field, energetic field में एक ripple create कर दिया. जब वो ripple create किया, तो each ripple will have a different impression, and वो impression create करने के बाद जो creation होगा वो different होगा. It's the same. So my thing is, if we resist to become someone, so it's very nice to put this clearing is what energy, space, consciousness, choice can me and my body be to be my mom. I truly be for all eternity. Right and wrong.
This connection lost.
So what energy, space, consciousness, choice can me and my body be to be my mom? I truly be for all eternity. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Why? Because I'm resisting being her. So I'm putting so much energy. I give myself permission, okay, let me be her. The good, the bad, the ugly. The resistance, the energy जो हम बार-बार force कर रहे हैं धक्का देने के लिए, वो हट जाती है. So I have the space. And then it takes that charge away. Then I can choose to pick the good qualities also. But when I'm resisting, I resist everything about her. So if you have certain good qualities also, which is like her, not the same, but like her, you will resist using those attributes in your life also. So then you are cutting being you. और अगर आप एक infinite being हो, तो आप good, bad, ugly, राक्षस, भगवान, सब हो. And there is no point of view, there has to be no judgment. And then एक relationship में, because इसमें क्या होता है, when I avoid being a mom, जो typically हम सब we go through, कि हमने एक relationship देखा, वो जब ups and downs आया तो कहीं ना कहीं हमने ये point of view lock कर लिया कि हमें ऐसा नहीं चाहिए यार, हमें बड़ा different reality चाहिए. So उसके कारण we are resisting being our parents big time. And in that resistance, we are mimicking them big time. Because वो पहले तो जानना पड़ेगा ना वो चीज की जो चीज करनी ही नहीं है तो पहले उसको जाननी पड़ती है, और वो जानने के चक्कर में हमने उसको अपने अंदर अच्छे से अलाइन कर लिया है और उसको उसकी स्मूदी बन जाती है, तो हम कब वो बन जाते हैं पता नहीं चलता, इतना रेजिस्ट किया. बिकॉज जो हमने बाद में किया था, एनी विच वेज, द गुड और द बैड, द पॉजिटिव और द नेगेटिव, आइदर विच वेज हम उसको पोलैरिटी को लॉक कर देते हैं और सॉलिडिफाई कर लेते हैं. सो इफ यू वांट टू फ्री, play with this tool, interesting point of view. For any point of view, like, oh, I'm becoming like my mom, interesting point of view, I have a point of view. Oh, I dealt this situation just like my mom, interesting point of view, I dealt this situation. Interesting point of view, I'm losing my temper just like my mom. Interesting point of view, oh my God, ये relationship मेरे parents की तरह तो नहीं हो जाएगा. Interesting point of view. जब आप interesting point of view for any, और interesting point of view कि मेरे साथ इतनी अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मैं क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू की टूल है, फिर भी मैं स्टुपिडिटी क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. सो इट्स लाइक लेयर, जैसे हम अनियन को पील करते हैं, वैसे हर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को अगर हम पील कर करके इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जाते जाएं, देन वी आर नॉट लॉकिंग एनी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और सॉलिडिफाइंग इनटू अ बॉडी. बिकॉज वो बॉडी में क्या होता है, सेल्स होते हैं. Cells store those emotions, cells store those thoughts, cells store those judgment जो solidify कर देती है. हमारा natural state है space. You will be light-headed, you will be space, जिसको हम बोलते हैं blank. जैसे हम blank होते हैं वैसे हम सामान लेके आते हैं कि भैया थोड़ा space करो, solidify करो कि काम नहीं हो रहा है. But blank is not blank, but it's a space. Ask what can I create from this space, because उसमें कोई reference point नहीं है. That's the reason वो solidity नहीं है, वो blank है, because आप completely space हो रहे हो. जो आपका natural home और habitat है, that is the space where we are supposed to live from and create from. Yes, Sarita. Unmute.
Yeah. When I have a question, like, you know, I am not able to say no to anybody, especially with siblings and all. And I end up doing everything and then I feel cheated. Oh, I was the only one. You know, that constantly that thing, because I'm not able to say no.
So how much not saying no is the label, like we keep putting ourselves कि यार मुझे ना बोलना नहीं आता. तो अगर मैं अपने को बार बार वो लेबल लगाऊं कि मुझे ना बोलना नहीं आता, तो मैं अपने आप को परमिशन ही नहीं दे सकती ना बोलने के लिए. So all the labels I have put on myself.
Yes, true.
Who I am and who I can be with my family, with my friends. I now destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So this is what exactly it is. So it's like, then you have to ask, what am I resisting here? Or what situation I'm trying to hide from? See, when I don't want to say a no, I'm trying to hide myself. Because I'm not being true to me. I'm not being
true to me, that is sure, because I don't want to say no. Even if I want to say, I'm not able to say.
Who are you being then? In that situation, who are you being?
I really don't know.
You are being the label that people put, oh, Sarita, you're so good. Sarita ko kabhi bhi kuch bhi bol do, she does it all. So you are just being a good judgment of a good girl, good sister, good wife, good mother. So what are those? Those are just labels.
So what do I do?
Interesting point of view. I give myself so many labels. Interesting point of view. I can't say no. Interesting point of view. If I say no, my family will get upset. Interesting point of view. I have to show up who they think I am. So all the labels, all the projections, Gandhi's clearing, all the labels I have put on myself when it comes to my family.
Should I note down? Or you
You-
send the recording?
Or you can take it from the recording. All the labels
Okay.
I have put on myself.
Yeah.
When it comes to my family, I destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all
Yes.
nine.
All ensures boys and
All the labels my family has put on me, I now destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and
Yes.
pork, all nine short bills. Because अगर मैं सरिता तेरे को बोलूँ कि सरिता you're so sweet, thank you so much. Every time I call you, you pick up your phone. कितने भी तुम busy हो, तुम phone उठा लेते हो, right?
So I am into that, yeah.
Yeah. तो मैंने 5 बार बोल दिया.
हाँ, तो लेबल इधर सेट हो गया.
लेबल अच्छे से पुट हो गया, पूरा ग्लू
Yes.
कॉल लगा के
एकदम
चिपका.
निकलेगा ही नहीं वो.
और अगर रात के 2 बजे या 1 बजे यू आर टायर्ड बट यू अवेक एंड यू सी
Yeah.
माय फोन, बाय डिफॉल्ट तुम मेरा फोन उठाओगे.
Yeah.
और अगर वही XYZ होता तुम उसका फोन उठाते? ट्रुथ.
No, because you have pasted it so well.
Yes, so that's the thing. So all the labels you have pasted on yourself so well, and you everywhere you feel so proud that I've done a very good job. इतना अच्छा पेस्ट किया है कि कितना भी साबुन पानी निकालो वो निकलेगा नहीं. Can you not revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and
Yes.
return it to whoever it belongs to with consciousness attached now. Thank you. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shall be done. And what do you love about putting labels? We keep giving ourselves label. मैं ऐसी हूँ. See, all the I ams are labels. All the I ams are a label.
So in the end, you know what happens because of these labels constant, you don't know who you are, what you are. You just don't have self-love. You just have love for others, not for yourself.
So, thank you so much. So, why do you love others? Are they precious?
Yeah, you think they are precious because you are insecure of losing them.
Yes.
Because of the labels, yeah.
Yes. So you have already concluded they are precious.
Yes.
Not that you think, you have concluded they are precious.
Yes,
And you're scared. If you don't put attention
Yes.
to them, you will lose them.
Exactly.
Fine. But you have not even thought, I'm using the word thought, because perceive तो बहुत दूर की बात है. You've not even thought that you are precious. क्यों? क्योंकि
Yes.
so where is it? It is not them. It is like what you need to be. आपने क्या decide किया है कि आप वो अगर वो करोगे तभी आप precious हो. So for you, what it is, Sarita, or for each one of us, what is it that I need to be and do? Then only I can think, or I can tell, or I can believe that I am precious. My precious. So what everything that brings up lets you down, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short. So आदमी precious कैसे होता है? उसके लिए क्या प्रूव करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को कि मैं precious हूँ, मेरा precious.
Valuable, right? Like you have to prove that you are indispensable basically to somebody else.
Yeah. So अगर if you have to prove you're indispensable, तो आप slave नहीं हो गए situation के लिए.
वही ये true, exactly.
But क्या कोई भी इंसान indispensable? It's like, are we really not indispensable? आप एक चीज बताओ, अगर 15 साल एक सर्वेंट रहा, right? I'm giving a servant का example because everybody can relate. 15 साल सर्वेंट रहा जिसने सारा घर कर दिया, एंड जब तक वो था आपको डर था कि वो चला जाएगा तो पता नहीं मेरी लाइफ को क्या हो जाएगा, मैं कैसे करूंगा. हाँ, आपने सैलरी हाइक की, उसके कंफर्ट दिए, सब कुछ दिया कि वो रह जाए, वो जाए ना. वो बोलता है, चिड़चिड़ करता है, कोई बात नहीं, रह जाए. The day he decides कि भैया मुझे जाना है, could you stop him?
No.
And
And
the
also life will go on with
And
it's
the
all
life-
in our mind.
And the life
It
will
goes on.
go on, right?
Yes.
Next 2 दिन बाद आप भूल जाओगे वो था
Yes.
कौन.
Yes. True. Very
So
true.
why have you made? Why do you think you're so important in people's life? Where have you concluded and given yourself so much importance in people's life that
Hidden agendas.
yes, it's a hidden agenda. But ये hidden agenda क्यों आता है? You want to be valuable in people's life because you don't value yourself,
Yes, yes, true.
right? So, but my question comes back is like कि ऐसा क्या करना होगा आपको for you to feel that you are valuable?
To yourself, yes.
So what is that? To yourself, agreed. 10 out of 10 answers, marks मिल गए. But what are you doing?
God.
You are not willing to look. You're going round and round.
Yes.
मेरे को वही आंसर दे रहे हो घुमा फिरा के. But I am asking कि हर आदमी का एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि अगर मेरे 100 मिलियन मैंने कमा लिया, अगर मैं सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस वुमन हो गई या मैंने अपने बच्चों को अच्छे से रेज कर दिया, देन आई एम वैल्यूएबल. सो आई एम सेइंग आपने अपने ऊपर what condition have you put on yourself from your inner, actually subconsciously, cognitively, or whatever it is, or people have kind of said and that you have picked up from your
Yes.
surrounding कि when I become this or when I have this, I will be valuable, or then I don't need to prove my value to anybody. So what is that thing for?
Voice is gone.
Yeah.
What is that thing? What is that goal? What is the target for each one of you? कि जब वो हो जाएगा तो मैं valuable होंगी या हो जाऊंगा.
Started like.
So please
Start-
ask this question to yourself. Why? Because the thing is, you need to be brutally honest. Be brutally honest कि जब मैं ना एम्पायर खड़ा कर लूँ तो मैं वैल्यूबल होंगी. जब मैं ना 100 करोड़ प्रूव करूंगी ना तो मेरी फैमिली मुझे वैल्यूबल देखेगी. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं भी कमाती हूँ. क्यों? देन यू विल गेट टू कि किसको तुमने मिमिक किया, किसको तुमने कंपेयर किया, जिसको तुमने बेंचमार्क मारा. राइट? सो इट इज लाइक वेरी डीप रूटेड. So my question is कि can anybody be valuable? Can you put a value to you? None of us can. But each one of us are valuable because we are a gift. And why are we a gift? Because we are different. आपके जैसा कोई भी एक आदमी है.
No.
But आप तो कुछ नहीं करते हो. आप एक housewife हो, for example. I'm just giving you one example, taking you as a target. So how can you be valuable? आप भी तो वैसे ही हो जैसे बाकी लोग हैं. So what's the difference? You're not a
Valuable. Valuable to myself.
You are not a business leader. You don't have like $1 billion house or yacht or whatever it is जो दूसरा आदमी consider करता है value.
But I have value to myself, right? I'm valuable to myself.
So, but because if you can't see value to yourself,
Yeah.
nobody can else see it, and nobody
Exactly.
can acknowledge it.
So it is like if you don't love yourself, nobody is going to love you.
Of course,
Right?
it is how you treat yourself. People treat
Yes,
you the same
you.
way.
Exactly.
If you take anybody in your life, whether it's your kid, a husband,
Yeah.
or siblings,
Yeah.
you will see a pattern when somebody likes a certain thing, a brand. For example, brand ले लो.
Yeah.
Somebody is like, oh, वो खाली branded कपड़े पहनता है और वो कुछ भी पहनता है. तो जब आप गिफ्ट खरीदने जाते हो, okay,
हाँ, तो उसके लिए कुछ भी खरीदेंगे
आप उसके लिए कुछ भी खरीदोगे.
और ब्रांडेड वाले के लिए ब्रांडेड.
खरीदोगे. क्यों?
So how you projected yourself?
How you say this works for me and this doesn't work for me. But
Yeah.
work for me or doesn't work for me, अगर आप किसी की लाइफ में indispensable नहीं होना चाहते तो आपको सब वर्क करेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको उसकी डांस के ट्यून्स में डांस करना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि आपने अपने ट्यून पे किया और वो मेलोडी उसको पसंद नहीं आई, then he will reject you.
Yeah. And your fear of rejection.
So everywhere you reject yourself before anybody else can reject you, can you now destroy and uncreate it all time?
Yes, yes,
Wrong,
yes.
but in bad, cotton, pork, all nine short. Are you willing to love, respect, honor, have gratitude for yourself, even if not a single person gives you that?
Yes.
Are you willing to have that?
Yes.
Truth. Yes, बहुत अच्छा आंसर है. बट जब आपके एक्शंस और रियलिटी नहीं शो कर रहे तो yes, आप अपने आप को झूठ बोल रहे हैं. But everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
I didn't
Yes.
know that one pork all nine.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Suruchi.
So this is पता क्या है, when you ask what is my reality with myself, so
This
actually
has to be the question every time. What is my reality with
what is
myself?
my reality with myself, and sit down and listen to कि and just watch कि पूरे दिन आप क्या करते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि हम बोलते हैं हम सेल्फ लव करते हैं, हम बोलते हैं हम अपने आप को ऑनर करते हैं, हम बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं, बट
We
अगर
don't
हमारा
do.
एक्शन दूसरा है
Opposite, yeah.
तो बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता. बिकॉज हम लोग इतने इंट्रेन्ड है ना कि बोल दो तो खुश हो जाता है आदमी, तो हम बोल देते हैं. लेकिन क्या आप वो डिलीवर कर रहे हो अपने आप को? जब आप अपने आप को डिलीवर नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप अपने आप को इतना झूठ बोल रहे हो, इतना झूठ बोल रहे हो. एंड व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ लाइंग टू योरसेल्फ? अगर आपकी रियलिटी में आपको रुपए बनाने हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल, बिकॉज समबडी हैड आस्क्ड मनी आल्सो इन द क्वेश्चंस, आई एम पुटिंग इट बैक टू मनी. एंड इफ यू थिंक कि आपका टारगेट है इस महीने का 2 लाख, 3 लाख, 5 लाख, 10 लाख, वट एवर योर टारगेट इज टू क्रिएट, और आप नहीं क्रिएट कर रहे, देन यू हैव टू आस्क व्हाट इज माय रियलिटी विद मनी. मेरे को मनी पसंद भी है, बिकॉज अगर कुछ चीज मुझे अच्छी लगती है आई विल हैव इट, और अगर मेरे पास नहीं है तो एटलीस्ट लेट मी बी ऑनेस्ट कि शायद मुझे अच्छी लगती है इसलिए करना है क्योंकि सब बोलते हैं करना चाहिए, ये अच्छा होता है. How many times we do things because everybody says do it, like yoga करो because ये अच्छा होता है. So all of the morning we stand and start doing yoga. 3 दिन बाद हम बोलते हैं यार आज मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है, आज मेरा पैर दुख रहा है, आज मुझे नींद आ रही है. Because I didn't ask कि मुझे योगा करना अच्छा लगता है या मुझे रन करना अच्छा लगता है या मुझे वॉक करना अच्छा लगता है. There's no right and wrong. So but every time with fitness also we are creating a reality based on other people's opinion.
Yes.
So why is your opinion doesn't matter to you? It comes to value. Why are you not valuing your opinion? Why are you not valuing your awareness, your body's awareness, your likes and dislikes? आप अपने आप को थर्ड ट्रेन के थर्ड क्लास कंपार्टमेंट में क्यों डाल रखा है? where you need to put yourself on the first class and rest everybody on the third class compartment. बट आपने पूरी जनता, पूरी सोसाइटी को तो फर्स्ट क्लास में बैठाया और अपने आप को थर्ड क्लास के डब्बे में बैठा के चल रहे हो. व्हाट्स द वैल्यू? इट कम्स टू वैल्यू. So everywhere you are not willing to value yourself or put yourself first, because putting yourself first is being selfish. Can you not revoke, recant, replace,
Exactly.
and not destroy and create at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shopping. Are you willing to be selfish?
Yes, I want to be. I want to be now.
Isn't selfish a judgment?
It is a judgment. But when it
and how many people do you judge कि कितने selfish लड़की है, ये कितना selfish आदमी है, that you are unwilling to be judged by others, so you will stop doing what you really desire to do.
Exactly, right.
So
Very
that's
true.
only the situation है कि मैंने बहुत लोगों को जज किया तो मुझे वो स्मेल पता है कि
उसमें तो नहीं जाना है, उसमें तो मुझे नहीं जाना है, because I have judged, right? So right, yeah, so right. So that's the reason, you know, thinking about myself becomes selfish. Oh, I don't want to become selfish.
what
So
if you become selfish, then you'll be okay for the world to become selfish, and what maybe then the world may become a little happy place. क्यों अभी गुस्सा क्यों आता है? बिकॉज जो मुझे करना है मैंने अपने आप को सप्रेस किया, वो इमोशन सप्रेस किए, अपने डिजायर सप्रेस किए. मैंने तो पूरा सप्रेस किया घर के नाम पे. सडनली हस्बैंड आता है, वो बोलता है मुझे नहीं जाना इस फैमिली फंक्शन में. आप बोलते हो क्यों? मेरा मन नहीं है, वो नहीं जाता और आप जाते हो. आप बोलते हो ये क्या है? मैंने तो पूरे लाइफ सप्रेस की कि ये मेंटेन हो. जिस उसका मन हुआ उसने कर लिया, तो क्या हुआ? वो सप्रेशन इतना गुस्से में आ जाता है, then and that is that what starts boiling up. But if you would have allowed yourself and received that judgment, yeah, I know, I'm so sorry, but I'm not keeping well. If you would have put yourself first, and guilt nahi, the other thing comes as a guilt. The guilt for choosing yourself, for choosing for you. So, and guilt is also a distractor implant.
Yes,
It's a
guilt is
distractor implant which doesn't allow you
to be what you are.
To be what you are, to have what you desire. That's the reason हम अपने आप को भी जोर से नहीं बोलते कि हमें लाइफ में क्या चाहिए. That's the reason we don't sit and ask ourselves, my reality or what would I like to create as my reality? Why? Because there is a guilt and a shame attached to it.
Very true.
because it's a
Thank you,
conditioning
Suruchi.
coming from lifetime across lifetime. And then the thing is, इस lifetime में women थे, next lifetime में men हो सकते थे, उससे पहले women हो सकते थे, और इस lifetime में हो सकता है men थे, किसी और lifetime में women थे. But the conditioning is so deep rooted, like a woman is not supposed to have her desires over her family. She's not supposed to have desire too big. She's not supposed to play too big. And if you are a man also, and typically a humanoid man, so you also come under the same category of not choosing for yourself. Why? Because of the magnetic imprinting from previous lifetime, which doesn't allow you. So all the distractor implant of blame, shame, regret, guilt,
Guilt.
excessive,
Yes.
compulsive, obsessive, perverted points of view, love, sex, jealousy, life, living, death, reality, and everything underneath that, all the BVRS, all the positional heat, all the Shiku implants and explant holding it in place, which doesn't allow you to tap into your reality, to tap into what you truly desire to create your life as. Will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, poison beyonds. Tina says, whenever I choose to be me, especially intimating self, I have meltdowns. Is it the solidification of the false me that is melting whenever I choose to be me, especially the intimating self with family? I have meltdown. The solidification. So Rita asked, truth, is it a melting down, or is it a resistance, or is it a manipulation?
Who's my manipulation?
I'm asking, truth, what does that read? Ask, is it, am I trying to manipulate people through my tears melting down to control the situation, to play little better because I'm being an intimating and somewhere I have a judgment? Or is it my body releasing? Because see, today it can be my body releasing, tomorrow I can be using it as a manipulation because I know I'm being something and I have a slight judgment. So I do an after, like a makeup effect of tears कि वो दूसरा आदमी बोलते बोलते रुक जाए, नहीं बोले, so that I can control a situation. So you have to ask, truth, what is this for me?
So more of it, like the previous clearing you did, know the suppressed emotions, which so that's like solidified. And now when I'm choosing to be like I can imagine like I'm at the edge of it now, you know, to take the leap to choose me, but somewhere I'm still not able to choose that.
So what will happen? What will break? Because when you said I'm the edge, it's like it more sounds like a pencil or the edge of breaking.
Yeah, especially with family, you know, with certain people in family, especially.
Okay, tell me one. But it's like everywhere when we make a demand and when we say I'm willing to lose anyone, I'm willing to gain anyone, I'm willing to lose everything. Tell me one thing: if somebody has to leave you, whatever you do, one mistake, they will leave you. It is just a control mechanism. So everything, all the thoughts, feelings, emotions, no thoughts, no feelings, emotions, you are using against you to control yourself for not being you. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create it all?
Yeah.
Yes.
So most of it is against self.
All nine shots, boys and beyond. Sorry, what?
It's mostly against, most of the stuff is I'm using it against me.
Thank you. So all the energies, all your potencies, all of you are using against you for not showing up in life as you. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
And actually that's where the blame and regret comes, you know. So either you're blaming the person or you're regretting with yourself, you know, that I didn't be me.
So everywhere you are unwilling to take the ownership of your action. Are you willing to take the responsibility of your action? Are you willing to say, yes, I made a wrong choice, or oh, I'm so stupid, I had been stupid that time. ठीक है, हो गई गड़बड़, I thought this will create this. Can you then backtrack and change it? But then the thing is, we stuck to the rightness of our point of view. जब आप अपने rightness में कहीं पे भी stuck हो जाते हो, then you will not choose anything which will create greater. What if it's a 10-second increment? I choose this, it's not creating. Will I do the same thing or will I choose something different? So all your, you're trying to find the right choice, right action, right step, which doesn't give you the freedom to just choose. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right now, good and bad, cotton, pork, all nine short. And who decide what is the right choice and a wrong choice?
Who decides it's a right choice or a wrong choice? It's like so much of it, like when we did the clearing on the woman, you know, because you're a woman, you can't have desires. So that lot of that was a charge, you know, where I'm not valuing myself as an infinite being. I'm still looking at myself in a woman body, you know.
So fine, thank you so much. So everywhere, all of you are creating your life based on I am a woman. Everywhere your choices are based on because of your gender, whether it's a man or a woman. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all? Times are gazillion.
Yes.
Right
Yes.
and wrong, good and bad, bottom fork, all nine shortcuts. What if you just play with the first tools of the 10 keys? If I am being an infinite being, what will I choose here? If I know not this, what will I choose here? It's like if I know not this. क्यों? क्योंकि if I know not this in the sense कि I am removing all the gender, all the reference point, all the objectives. If I know not this, what will I choose here? Or if I'm an infinite being, what will I choose? Because infinite being आदमी भी बन सकता है, औरत भी बन सकता है, छक्का भी बन सकता है, जानवर भी बन सकता है, plant भी बन सकता है, कुछ भी बन सकता है. It doesn't have any form, structure or significance to what they are being. They're just being. So all the form, structure and significance each one of you are using to create your life and reality. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy and uncreate it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, cotton, pork, all nine short, boys and beyond.
So can I just say some? So another thing is like I'm doing access, you know, like over the last, there's lot of change I've created greater, everything is there. But every time, you know, most of the time I would say there is that ease is not there, you know, the creation is there, but it's with the conflict or, you know, it's like a justu all the time. That, you know, ek wo jo makhan jaise, you know, hot knife through a makhan. It's
Do
just.
you like ease? Do you like ease?
Yes.
I would love to have ease.
Love to have is a different thing. Truth, do you like ease?
Yes.
So fine. So now what you will do is for 3 months, you will prioritize ease. If I choose this, will it create ease in my life? Yes, go ahead. If not, don't do it. Simply don't do it. It's like prioritizing ease in life. अगर ease चाहिए और ease नहीं है और जुस्तजू है या struggle है या obstacle आ रहा है for 3 months, just for 3 months, every action, just ask if I do this, will it create more ease? Do it. Will it not create more ease? Don't do it. Because हमको लगता है अगर हमने ये नहीं कोई admit कर लो कि बहुत समझ में आता है. अगर
Sarita.
Yeah.
No.
ओके अगर हमको लगता है कि हम क्यों नहीं चूज करते बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं हमको लगता है कि ये अगर चॉइस चला गया तो हमारे पास कोई और दूसरा चॉइस नहीं होगा बट इट्स अ लाई बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट प्रायोरिटाइजिंग ईज आप क्या डिमांड दे रहे हो कि मुझे लाइफ में ईज चाहिए तो वो सारी चीजें विल स्टार्ट शोइंग अप अगर आपने एक शॉप में जाते हो एक ड्रेस बहुत अच्छी लगती है बट समथिंग इज नॉट प्रॉपर हम फिर भी ले लेते विद द थॉट कि पता नहीं कल मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी ऐसे
Yeah, that happens.
But if you say कि no, this doesn't work for me, I'm going to leave it. देखी जाएगी. So because you're trusting yourself and you're trusting the universe, but somewhere when you still choose, as if you don't have a choice, you don't trust yourself. Because you don't trust yourself कि you can create something where we can all create whatever we desire. It is coming from the trust. It's coming from the lack of trust. And that lack of trust is that I don't even trust the universe. Because हम क्या बोलते हैं? It's like हम जैसे favor करते हैं ना लोगों को. So we also feel कि universe also favors. It only gives to certain people and it doesn't give to everyone.
Yeah, you feel that. Why?
Because how much
Because you don't trust.
we don't trust that we are valuable.
Yeah.
How much do we do favorism in our life? And we give to certain people and not give to certain people. So we feel कि हमारे साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा है.
So you know what you do will come back to you, right? As if.
Because that is the point of view कि it's like अगर मैंने अच्छा किया तो अच्छा मिलेगा, नहीं किया तो वो डर रहता है, right? But then the thing is, if you see कि आप favor करते हो अपनी life में, you don't treat everybody alike.
Yeah.
That's the point of view. That's the point of view doesn't allow you to trust the universe also, because you feel कि मैंने तो कुछ किया नहीं तो universe मेरी मदद क्यों करेगा? I am not contributing. What अगर मैं नालायक हूँ तो भी universe contribute करेगा, क्यों? क्योंकि I choose to receive the contribution.
Okay.
So this is the main thing, you know, where I feel if I am nalayak by somebody's standard, I will not receive, like, you know, the universe will not have my back. And I know universe has my back. I can create also, but the creation comes to me and then somebody else will put an obstacle to it. Somebody else will put a demand.
Wait a second, Rita, nobody else put an obstacle. We create people to put an obstacle. So if you
it's
don't
my
take
own resistance to receive.
Yes, it's your own resistance. Why? Because if you put it, somebody else did it to me, you can never change it. किसी और ने किया तो मुझे उसका हाथ लाना पड़ेगा to change it. If I created it, I can change it.
So could it be a resistance to telling, you know, like intimidating that person? Because I realize, you know, I just give in then. I don't want to intimidate or hurt the person. So is it that my edge there, which I'm not functioning from, you know?
So now
I'm not willing to be the killer energy.
You have to ask, what energy do I need to be here to change this?
Killer energy.
See, that's a conclusion. That's a judgment.
That's what I'm abstaining from. That's what I got, you know, like I can't tell, I can't tell a close family member go die, you know.
I agree. But what if you don't have to say, what you can just embody that energy and you don't even utter a word?
I'm doing that nowadays.
So what, because every time it is not about talking, it is just about being an energy and the people know, okay, fine, back off, no messing. But at the same time, when you ask what energy can I be, तो आज हो सकता है killing energy हो, tomorrow हो सकता है it can be a kindness energy, तीसरे दिन कुछ और. But when we already जो awareness है and we stick to that कि नहीं यही है, you then solidify your awareness into a judgment, which doesn't again give you a open space. It's again a judgment. So that's what I'm saying is, whenever कोई भी situation आए, be present and ask, okay, what energy can I be here to change this? What energy? So whatever energy that time, just be it. There's no right and wrong about it.
Yeah. Can I change this in my favor, or it becomes a point of view?
When you say change this in my favor, where have you decided that this situation will only create greater, something else cannot create greater? कितनी बार लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है कि जो सिचुएशन समटाइम्स दैट शोड अप, उस टाइम तो बहुत ही खराब लगा एंड यू फील कि यू बीन चीटेड, गॉड डजंट लव यू, योर पेरेंट्स, योर फैमिली, नोबडी लव्स यू, ऐसा सिचुएशन आ गया. बट आफ्टर 3 months और मे बी 6 months इन द लाइफ, यू लाइक वाओ, दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड. इसके कारण सो मेनी डिफरेंट डोर्स हैव ओपनड अप. अगर किसी की नौकरी चली जाती है फॉर दैट एग्जांपल, उसके लिए तो इट्स अ लाइफ स्टॉप कि कितना बुरा हो गया, मेरी नौकरी चली गई, मेरी फिक्स्ड इनकम चली गई. But maybe 6 months he started his own business and then he thinks कि oh, if मेरी नौकरी नहीं जाती, if my job I wouldn't have been fired, I would have never ever taken this big step. And because of that, now my life has completely 180-degree shift and it's creating so much. So nothing can ever go wrong. जो भी हमारी life में अभी हो रहा है, it's not a wrongness. It is gearing up us for seeing something different. The only idea is, am I willing to receive it? Because receiving में क्या आता है, हमको good judgment receive करना है, but हमको negative judgment receive नहीं करना. हमको hug receive करना है, हमको गाली receive नहीं करनी. But receiving doesn't come with filters. Receiving is just receiving. Are you willing to just receive it with no point of view? So everywhere you're vested of what you will receive and what you will not receive from your family, from your client, from your loved ones, from your dear ones, or from your own self. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Good and wrong, good and bad, good and walk, all nine, short, birds and beyond, and all the judgments you have of killing energy or being a killing energy which stop you to be that when it requires you to be that. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, good and walk, all nine, short, birds and beyond. So, any question on any other topic?
I think it was more like a family's clarity.
Yes, it was more, it came to a family clarity night. So everything you're unwilling to receive from your family because it doesn't match your point of view, what they should give it to you. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right
Yes.
and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short birds, and all your conclusions, judgments, computations, points of views you have about you in regards to your family. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short boys and yeah. So, whose lies, what lies, how many lies have you bought about how you, what you need to be and do or create your reality when it comes to family? Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
Strong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short boys. Because किसी और कोई बोल नहीं रहा, and it became family, so I'm revolving all that clearing around your reality with your family. So you need to really ask, what would I like to create as my reality? This is the question that you need to play. What would I like to create my life as? What kind of people would I like? What kind of a energy I would like to be surrounded with? And if ease is your priority, and if you don't have ease, home play for you for 3 months, anything that you do is ask, is it creating more ease in my life? Yes, do it. If not, discard it. Literally discard it. Let's see what shows up. See, problem आएगी, you know you can face it. आने तो दो, देखेंगे. You avoid it in imagination that one fine day you may have a problem or one you may not find, but that is just a point of view, because then it is not creating what you desire, it is only hopes and dreams. So all the hopes, dreams and fantasies you have about ease, which doesn't actually allow you to actualize and have it as your reality, can you revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
Everywhere ease is a fiction and not a reality in your life. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short. If something is valuable, how we create ease in keeping it, storing it, उसको बड़ा संभाल के रखते हैं, उसको बड़ा अच्छे से रखते हैं, उसके लिए सब कुछ करते हैं कि लाइफ में ease हो जाए उसके लिए. So it boils down to is कि are you valuing yourself enough to create ease in your life? So what is it? Any question, people?
Suruchi, I had another question. Sorry. So sometimes, you know, when you're stuck in the past, suppose in a family situation, only like something bad happened to you, what you deem as bad happened to you, and so how do you just keep saying interesting point of view that okay, I'm still thinking about that, or that still impacts me?
Because everywhere you're giving power of past and
impacts you in your present.
yeah, because वो past आप छोड़ते नहीं हो ना. So everywhere you're holding on your past, that one day it will give you the gems. Can you not run and create it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poker, lunch, all the past baggages you are using to create your current life, relationship. Will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poker, lunch. What unfinished business you had? See, past कब linger करता है कि या तो वहाँ पे कुछ spoken unspoken truth था that it's sticking you. If it's sticking you again and again, ask, what was the spoken unspoken truth here? What's the lie here? The moment you get the awareness of the lie, it will stop sticking you. Okay. The other thing is, what's the value of holding on to the past? What do I want to understand from this past? See, when you're trying to understand it, you'll have to buy it, use it, be it. But you don't need to understand. Just ask, okay, what gift is this? And move on. So you have to ask, what's the value of holding on to the past? If it's not giving me what I desire, it's so everywhere you're holding on the past so that you don't create the same mistake again. As a reminder, as a checkpoint, can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create it all?
Yes.
Yes.
That's wrong, good, bad, pot, poker, lunch. Truth. Are you the same every day?
No.
So can the same checkpoint ever work for you? So what's the value of using a redundant machine? Like how we graduate from microwave to different things, whatever, making our life easy. So so all the thoughts, feelings, emotions, no thoughts, no feelings, emotions coming from any situation from the past, which you have logged into your molecular, physical, and energetic level of your being, which doesn't, and everywhere you are resisting and reacting or agreed and aligned to it, either which ways, and bought it as yours. Will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short, but and can you now return it to the sender with a lot of love, light, consciousness attached?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, all nine short, but and can you ask what was I aware of there that I was unwilling to acknowledge? What was I aware of it then that I'm unwilling to acknowledge? And when you acknowledge it, it moves out. It's like I'm standing in your window, you're not seeing me, you're seeing me but not seeing me. So every day I stand, the moment you acknowledge it to your head, okay, Suruchi is there, I move out, because I don't need to keep showing you my presence. So it's like sticking. या तो कोई lie होता है underneath जो हमने नहीं किया, so it stick करता रहता है. We try to identify कि क्या था. That's the reason we are not willing to let go. Sometimes it only comes as an acknowledgement that we need to acknowledge that so that it can move on.
सुरुचि
Yeah.
अच्छा, कभी ऐसा होता है कि हमारा ही कोई फैमिली मेंबर है, तो वो हमारे साथ गलत कर रहा है, ठीक है, कोई सिचुएशन में, मीन्स पता ही है कि वो ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं बोल रहे हैं या हमें टॉर्चर कर रहे हैं, आई मीन बार बार कह रहे हैं, तो उसको हमें कैसे अवॉइड करना चाहिए? और हमें पता है कि हमें अवेयरनेस में रहना चाहिए, इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी बोलना चाहिए, ये सब करना चाहिए, फिर भी उसको देखते हैं ना तो ऐसा मन में गुस्सा आता है कि उसको उसके साथ क्या करें?
जब उसको देखते हैं उसके मन में गुस्सा आता है, तो पहली बात यह है कि उसके साथ एक्चुअली पूछो मन में उसके साथ करना क्या, उसको कितनी पिटाई करनी है, उसको गाली देना है, उसको क्या करना है. बी ऑनेस्ट. अच्छा ठीक है, उसको फिर बोलो अच्छा ठीक है वो सुधरेगा नहीं सुधरेगा, नहीं सुधरेगा, तो जब उसको मिलते हो तो वो किलिंग एनर्जी को एम्बॉडी कर लो कि वो सोचे 4 बार कुछ बोलने से पहले. अगर माँ दुर्गा का रूप लेना है तो माँ दुर्गा का रूप ले लो, माँ काली का लेना है काली का ले लो, सरस्वती का लेना है सरस्वती का ले लो, इट डजंट मैटर. पर हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि उसके सामने मेरी मुंह नहीं. एवरीवेयर आप लोग सब ने किसी और को अपने से ज्यादा पावरफुल बना रखा है. कैन यू नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय एंड अनक्रिएट इट ऑल?
Yes.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short. What if you are the most powerful being on planet Earth, because you have your own power? In every way you have made yourself pathetic by giving your power to others. Can you not revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short. What's the value of playing small? यहाँ पे यही बात है ना शीतल, कि आपको क्या बनना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे मुझे क्या करना होगा, क्या बनना पड़ेगा कि ये सिचुएशन चेंज हो जाए. आप वो इंटरेस्टिंग, बट अगर आप उससे डील करोगे, किसी से भी डील करते हो और ऐसा लगता है, तो पूछो व्हाट कैन आई बी एंड डू हियर दैट विल चेंज दिस. आपको एक एनर्जी डिफरेंट होनी होगी, आपको कोई डिफरेंट एक्शन लेना होगा, सो दैट इट क्रिएट्स अ डिफरेंट रिजल्ट. व्हाट कैन आई डू और बी हियर टू चेंज दिस? Any other people? Thank you. Any other question? Otherwise, we are good to go. किसी के पास कोई question है? Last question? Anything that somebody wants to share? Ask.
Hi.
Hi.
So my question is around the clarity. I operate a lot from the confusions, and secondly, I lack the trust in me that I don't know enough. While people tell me that I know a lot.
So, thank you, Manisha. So everywhere everything bought that lie that you don't know enough. Can you, everywhere you bought that lie, you're living that life, and you're creating your life based on that lie. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right, good, bad, pot, pork,
Yes.
all nine short. and then you have to ask whose point of view it is. ये मेरा है या किसी और का प्रोजेक्शन है, ये लेबल है कि इसको कुछ नहीं पता. How many times have you heard कि तुझे कुछ नहीं पता, तुझे कुछ नहीं पता, तुझे क्या पता है? एंड वो जो बार बार सुन के वो बिलीव हो जाता है. और जब कोई चीज बड़ी होती है, and everywhere you have made others superior than you, then your knowing, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good,
Yes.
cut, online chat with it. Are you willing to fail?
Yes.
Yes.
See, if I give myself permission कि मुझे नहीं, अगर मैं यहाँ आई आज, मुझे नहीं पता क्या क्वेश्चन होगा, क्या मैं रिहर्स कर सकती हूँ? नहीं. Will it be a success? Maybe, may not be. लोग गाली देंगे, हो सकता है दें, कोई बोलेगा अच्छा है, हो सकता है होगा. But what will I do? I'll say I'm going to give my 100% जो आज मैं दे सकती हूँ. तो जो भी आप सिचुएशन, जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट हो, बोलो अगर मेरे को अपना 100% इसमें देना है, I will give. कल मेरा 100% में भी डिफरेंट होगा. But I'm giving myself permission to fail and falter. उसमें ट्रस्टिंग इशू हो जाता है. ट्रस्ट का क्या है कि जब मुझे परमिशन नहीं देना ट्रस्ट का, और कहीं ना कहीं मैंने ये सोच लिया कि इसका वे जो क्रिएट करना होता है ये ऐसा नहीं हो, किसी और के थ्रू होता है. तो अगर मुझे ये क्रिएट करना आता है, हाउ विल आई क्रिएट दिस? प्ले आज दिस क्वेश्चन, कोई भी सिचुएशन है, हाउ विल आई डील विद दिस सिचुएशन, ना कि कोई और कैसे डील करेगा. हाउ विल आई डील, व्हाट डू आई नो हियर? And labels, keep removing the labels, because जो हमने पहले बात किया था, when Sarita asked the question, just keep saying all the labels that I have put. It's like a label. All the labels I have put on myself, I destroy and create it all. Right and wrong.
Yes.
All natural. It's like you have to keep releasing the labels. It's a label कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, मैं trust नहीं कर सकती. ये क्या है? ये सब labels है. एक justification है. And be ready to take responsibility कि हाँ किया था, गलत हो गया, okay, what next? What else is possible here? What next? तो आप उसको stick नहीं कर रहे, आप move कर रहे हो. So all the labels people have put on you while you were growing up, which doesn't allow you to trust your own knowing, all of you. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Actually,
Call line short person beyond.
one more clearing. If we want to do get our highest good, like as you said, being selfish. So you know, in any situation, what is our highest good?
See, our highest good is from kingdom of we, which will create greater for everyone. Okay, and I'm choosing something which will create greater for everyone is my highest good. Why? Because मैं अकेली तो दुनिया में रहती नहीं हूँ.
Yeah, yeah.
ना मैं अकेले अपने फैमिली में रहती हूँ. When I'm creating from a kingdom of we, it's
Kingdom of
we. W-E.
W-E. Okay.
So, not a kingdom of I. Kingdom of I is
W-E. Yeah, selfish. Yeah. So that's what I want to.
self-interest. There is a difference. हम सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट नहीं करते, बट हम अपने लिए नहीं चूज करते बिकॉज हम सेल्फिश सोचते हैं कि हम सेल्फिश बन. बट जब सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट हुआ कि दुनिया जाए, मर जाए, हैव इट, दैट इज सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट. बट व्हेन आई एम सेइंग इफ आई एम चूजिंग दिस, अगर मैं खुश हुई तो ऑफ कोर्स मेरी फैमिली के लिए मैं ज्यादा हैप्पीनेस क्रिएट करूंगी. इट्स ग्रेटर फॉर एवरीबॉडी. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि आई एम सीइंग अ सर्टेन थिंग जो मेरा हस्बैंड नहीं देख रहा, फिर भी मैंने किया. इट इज नॉट सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट. It is coming from a knowing that it will create greater in long term. ठीक है? But self interest or kingdom of I will be कि I know I am happy, पूरी दुनिया चाहे कुछ भी कर ले. It's like if I choose this, suppose morning में खाने का टाइम है, then I say पूरी दुनिया भूखी रहे, I am going to do this at this time only because this is the time. That is kingdom of I. When I say kingdom of we, I will choose, I will create. थोड़ा उसको आगे पीछे कर दूंगी where it will create a harmony. I'm not discarding them also. Or then otherwise if you think कि I or we में, then ask, am I choosing it from a kingdom of we or am I choosing this from a kingdom of I? और जो हमारा tool है light and heavy, see with that. Is it light? Because anything when you choose from a kingdom of we, or anything, it is very expansive. और अगर अपने लिए choose कर रहे हैं ना, बहुत expansive है. It's very easy. But then the thing is, कभी-कभी वो चीज difficult हो जाती है because हम लोग को बोला जाता है कि ये नहीं choose करना. Family. is not, family is not kingdom of we. Why? If the family is planning on limiting, it is not kingdom of we. It is from their self-interest. But when I'm saying kingdom of we, if I am going to be happy today by this choice, good. Will I make my family happy? Yes. Will my kids will be happy? Will it grow greater? Yes. Yes. Choose it. Maybe कुछ लोगों को वो choice आपकी नहीं समझ में आए. It's like घर का इंटीरियर चेंज कर दिया, लोगों को इनिशियली नहीं समझ में, बाद में बोला बहुत अच्छा है. But in that momentary when you had to choose, you have to follow your knowing.
Right.
It is just that key. Am I? And then if you keep going into your head, then you are not being an infinite being. That is a barrier, and then you are operating from conclusions and not from your knowing. जैसे ही आप हेड में जाते हो, that is कि आप एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट या कुछ खोज रहे हो सही तरीका करने का. And if you have to choose, put your barriers down and ask, if I'm truly being an infinite being here, what will I choose?
Okay. Yeah, that's nice.
Simple है. It's like अलग-अलग चीज है, 3 different question है. See what works for you, what gives you comfort. Play with it, and then just play. Just play with these tools. Just play asking a question, and it will start shifting. Right? So I think we are good to go. किसी का कुछ persisting कोई question है, then please ask. Otherwise, we are good to go. I have to have call at 12:30. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Suruchi. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, Suruchi.
Bye.
And
Thank
the
you.
other thing is,
Thank you.
does anybody have a problem?
Thank you.
Thank you. Does anybody have a problem? Their picture coming use this photo. तो अगर है तो screen बंद कर दो. Let me take a snapshot with nobody's picture. Or if you're
I'm okay.
great, no problem. So great. What I was thinking is I will be doing this one.